A measurement plan is like a blueprint for your analysis. It helps you define what success looks like, identify the right metrics to track, and ensures you're capturing the data needed to measure progress effectively. Without a solid measurement plan, you're essentially flying blind in your analysis. So, what exactly goes into building a measurement plan? Let's break it down into 6 key components. First, you need to clearly define what success looks like. This means understanding the business objectives and aligning your analysis with those goals. For example, if you're working for an online retail company, success might mean reducing customer churn or increasing repeat purchases. Next, you'll need to identify the key performance indicators, or KPIs, that will measure your success. These are the metrics that directly reflect your business outcomes. For example, if your goal is to improve customer retention, KPIs like customer churn rate, average purchase frequency, and customer lifetime value would be critical to track. But don't stop at just the high-level KPIs. You'll also want to look at supporting metrics, those that help explain why a KPI is moving in a particular direction. For example, if you're tracking churn, you might also need to monitor customer feedback, product return rates, or delivery times to get a fuller picture. Now that you know where the data is coming from, the next step is to determine how often you'll collect and analyze it. Some metrics may need to be tracked in real time, while others can be reviewed weekly or monthly. For instance, in a fast-paced marketing campaign, daily tracking might be necessary to make quick adjustments. Now that you know where the data is coming from, the next step is to determine how often you'll collect and analyze it. Some metrics may need to be tracked in real time, while others can be reviewed weekly or monthly. For instance, in a fast-paced marketing campaign, daily tracking might be necessary to make quick adjustments. Finally, you'll want to establish a baseline for each metric, essentially, where you're starting from, and set clear targets for where you want to go. For example, if your current customer churn rate is 15%, your target might be to reduce it to 10% over the next 6 months. These 6 steps will help you create a clear, structured measurement plan that guides your analysis and ensures you're staying focused on the right outcomes. Let's bring this to life with a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a data analyst at an online retail company, and your task is to improve customer retention. Business goal: reduce customer churn and increase repeat purchases. KPIs: track churn rate, average purchase frequency, and customer lifetime value. Supporting metrics: monitor customer feedback, product return rates, and delivery times. Data sources: use data from your CRM for purchase history, survey tools for customer satisfaction, and delivery software for shipping times. Baseline: the current churn rate is 15%, with an average of 1.2 purchases per month. Target: your goal is to reduce the churn rate to 10% and increase purchase frequency to 1.5 purchases per month within 6 months. Frequency: track churn and purchases weekly, and review customer feedback and satisfaction monthly. By following these steps, you've now built a comprehensive measurement plan. You've defined success, identified your KPIs, broken down supporting metrics, identified data sources, set collection frequencies, and established your baseline and target. This plan will guide every step of your analysis, ensuring you stay aligned with the business objectives. So, why is building a measurement plan so important? It gives you a clear roadmap for your analysis, ensuring that every step you take is purposeful and tied to real business outcomes. Without it, you risk losing focus or analyzing data that doesn't drive impact. To sum up, building a measurement plan ensures you're capturing the right data, tracking the right metrics, and ultimately delivering insights that matter. That wraps up step 2 of the data analysis workflow, building a measurement plan. In the next video, we'll move on to step 3, collecting and preparing the data. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, without a plan, data is just noise. With a strong measurement plan, you turn that data into actionable insights that drive real business success.